Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
My people, how na dey now? I go by the name YP, the only man with the right name for chess. You know what the time is. And now, as we normally they do for here, if you are just joining us for the first time, hit the like button, share, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you want to get updates, if you want to be the first to receive notification anytime we upload a video, please leave us a thumbs up, man. Subscribe and hit the bell button. So I bet we'll go straight to the main reason why we are here today. So today I dey vex. Yes, I dey vex because say me many things don't dey when you say me. I don't see with my eye. Many things don't they say when I don't hear with my ear. Many don't happen for my front. Many don't happen for my back. I don't feel resistant again. I say no. Today I need to talk about them. So if you be one of those people when they do all these things, you just have to stop. You got to stop this because we are not helping ourselves. So what I want to talk about be say the way some Nigerians still they do for abroad. This news now Nigerians when they diaspora. If you dey America, you dey Europe, you dey Asia, you dey Africa, as far as you don't come out for Nigeria, some of the things when be say una they do when no enter. Now I can talk about today. No, I don't feel better again. So many people don't complain to me how Nigerians still they treat them. How some people still they treat them bad. What did they happen? Do we really love ourselves? Are we still brethren as Pastor James talk? Eh? Why are we doing all this to ourselves? So the thing when be say me, if they pay me for body, be say Nigerian man go rent us for Igbo hand. He go rent us for Igbo hand. Nigerian person go rent us for his hand. He go they treat us like same men are goats. And you get one thing when they call you they do when come for all the awaiting landlord when they Europe, because I go call now awaiting landlord not gonna get us. Una dey wait more na come inherit the house and una no go inherit the house. One thing when call you the rain when come take come for them now. If you deposit money, if you want come for the house, they know they return the money. Why? Or you go when you say me, you rent the house for their hand. If you dey come for the house, they will give you your deposit. But Nigerian man go collect deposit for your hand finish. If you want come for the house, the deposit you no go return am. That one na evil. And e get one wey be say me, e dey recently dey go on now. The way una take dey share quick notice for us wey be say una no get, una no know how they take build us, una no know how they take lay the foundation, una no even know anything concern the house. The one that take dey give quick notice now. Hey, Nigerian man go just wake up for night, he go say no, you no go stay this house again. He don pursue am. He go just wake up, he go just come back from outside, he go just meet you for inside house, he go say no, you no fit stay this house again. Pack your things, he go pursue am. You no go even tell am down, you no go even say okay, may I give you 3 days. Ah, this person if I pursue am, where they go? Nothing like that. They go just wake up from nowhere, they go just say no, you must leave my house. As he dey talk and he dey pack the person thing, he dey throw am. Why? Why? We dey complain, say that they do us racist, that they do us racist. But wetin we dey do to ourselves pass wetin the white people dey do to us? Because white man when you carry am for your hand, when you carry house for your hand, he no go give you 3 days make you take pack comot for your house. Even if you do bad, you no do bad. He must give you at least 3 months make you take fair house when you wan go stay. But Naija, maybe the person when you're there our house, he don't get money pass us. He don't get work, we never get work. He don't get document, we never get document. We just wake up, we say no, today you go come for my house. As he don't talk and he don't talk, he go pursue that person that same day. You know, we go say okay, take 3 days, make you take come out. Whether the person will go to sleep street or he will go to sleep road or he don't even care, he don't pursue one. Now you really get the house. If they do this to your brother, if they do this to you yourself or your friend, how you go feel? How you go feel? Many of una when get this character, many of una when they do all these things, he don't do. He don't do. Black life matter. To us, our life really matter. Our life really matter to us. because you know we don't even love ourselves. The problem of Africa e dey me and you hand now. We will be the youth na cause am, because wetin we dey do e bad pass wetin our politicians dey do us. E bad pass wetin all those old people dey do us. All those old people, see all of them unite, but no youth dey unite for the country again. Person go come your house, you say deposit 200 euro. The person go give you money, bam, you carry money, you go drink beer, you use am do wetin you wan do. The person wan comot tomorrow, deposit when I give you that day, give me my money back o, you no go see am give am. You no go give, you go come dey phone story, na so e spoil this, na so e scratch wall, and na so e be say me no wash pot, na so e be say me no do this, you no do this. You go come dey phone story, dey carry different story. You no go this thing don too common for our body. E don too common for Europe. Almost every house for Europe, if you rent am for their hand, if you dey comot deposit, dem no dey give you. And if you wan comot sef, na that day when you dey comot, na dem dey tell you make you comot. Na dem dey pursue you. Hardly before you see house for Europe when you say you go dey your mind to comot. Na dem dey always dey pursue you. Either you wan make am pass dem, or you get wetin dem no get. Dem go pursue you. Comot for my house. That same day you dey comot, na the pursue am. Una come forget say me this house no be una get am, no be una buy am, no be una papa o, no be una mama o. Why we dey do all this to ourselves? Our government dey not still dey here now. When we come say okay, na government na dey worry us, na government na dey do this. Our leaders no dey here. Now we now youth na dey here. See wetin we dey do to ourselves. Every day this thing dey happen. Many, my ear don full, my eye don see so many. E dey happen every day. See wetin dey happen everywhere. Mo dey use our number one, mo dey use our austere. E don do. All this character, e no good. We need to love ourselves. We need to care for ourselves. We need to be our brother's keeper. Be your brother's keeper. If fire dey come, carry water, quench am. If bullet dey come, receive am for your brother. Na your brother, die for am. No dey pursue your brother give outside again. They talk say me, if outside dey pursue person dey come, inside go receive person. But now na inside dey pursue person dey go outside. Where are we running to? So abeg, this message na to all Nigerians wey be say me dey get house for Europe, wey rent house for Europe. Abeg, though una wey be ten ant wey rent house for people one, una still dey do well, una still dey respect who get house. The laws, the rules and regulations for the house, una still dey respect am, dey obey am. Una no dey waka pass where they say me una no waka reach. Una no dey spoil things for the house. But una wey be say me una rent the house direct for oyibo man, abeg, una still take am messy with everybody. These people, they just dey try to follow up. They are just coming up. This stage where they dey, una don first pass that stage, una know how e dey be. Una try take am easy. If they give una deposit, if you know say you be the type wey be say me dey chop the money, if they give you deposit, send am come give me, may I help you now. If the person wan comot, come ask me, I will give you the money, you go give am the money back. No be say you go carry money, you go chop am. If you wan comot, you come dey tell am, you come dey form allegation, dey talk this. E no good, abeg. So my people, abeg. If you know say me, you get anybody wey get this character, you know anybody wey don do this kind thing to you, share this video make you see am. Or go straight to another news.